For years, a family has been seeking answers in the disappearance and death of 13-year-old Dylan Redwine. Now they worry there may never be justice. News 13's Gabrielle Burkhardt is live in the Newsplex to explain. Gabby?
Jessica, you may recall the teen's mom filed a wrongful death lawsuit against Dylan's dad, Mark Redwine, but a judge dismissed the suit on a technicality. Tonight, the man at the center of all of this, Mark Redwine, spoke to us about his son's case.
Come up, Mark. Talk to law enforcement. Tell them what happened that night.
That was Elaine Hall last year. Since her 13-year-old son Dylan Redwine's disappearance and death, she's pointed to his dad, Mark Redwine.
You had him. Where is he?
Mark told Dr. Phil in 2013.
I'm not involved in this. No matter how it comes across, whether it be to you or anybody else, I'm not involved in this.
And that's what he tells us today.
You can't prove what didn't happen. Absolutely, it had nothing to do with this.
Dylan vanished while on a court-ordered visit with his dad in Vallecito near Durango in 2012. His remains were found 7 months later, about 3 miles from Mark Redwine's property. But there's been no criminal charges filed. Elaine filed a wrongful death lawsuit against Mark. Then late last year, a judge dismissed the suit, saying she's past the statute of limitations by a matter of days.
It's a miscarriage of justice. Appears to be based on a technicality.
Mark's reaction?
I'm somewhat disappointed because I really was looking forward to the opportunity to have my day in court with my ex-wife.
The judge ruled the suit should have been filed 2 years from the date Dylan's remains were found in July 2013, even though the Redwines weren't told the remains were Dylan's until days later.
I just hope someday that Dylan gets justice.
The La Plata County Sheriff's Office says the case is still open. Mark is still named a person of interest.
I've lost hope in law enforcement in relation to La Plata County.
Meanwhile, Dylan's mom hopes investigators won't give up.
At this point, it doesn't seem like he's gotten any justice, civilly or criminally.
Mark Redwine tells me he has his own theories about what happened to Dylan, but says they would only be speculation since no one knows for certain. Back to you.
All right, thank you, Gabrielle. You can read the wrongful death suit, Mark Redwine's counterclaim, and the judge's decision in this story at KRQE.com and on the KRQE News app.